But let's get into it. Let's say you haven't even connected HubSpot with your ad platforms. Where do we start, Ian?
Well, you want to go to marketing and ads. And when you get there, you will get a very clear screen that says get started with ads, and it tells you how you can go about. And it's the guided process has become really good. So just follow the guided process about authenticating your accounts and connecting them in. One of the things to be aware of is when you connect it in, if somebody else wants to utilize the ads tool for making updates, they need to connect themselves as a user in to make those updates.
Actually, that's a good call for probably for future when we actually chat about the ads tools once it is all connected, because this might sound strange to call out, but we often don't manage ads from in HubSpot. We're purely using it for reporting. And I think this is an important distinction to make early, because when we do tell clients that haven't connected their ads into HubSpot, sometimes they'll respond and they'll say, oh, look, we manage them from Google Ads. We don't really need to manage it in another tool. And so they think, oh, connecting ads into HubSpot is purely for managing it. I'm like, well, actually, we never really manage them. It's a view only approach we take in HubSpot. It's purely for the reporting and attribution. And when they understand that, you see the light bulb go off. Oh, okay. And I think that's perhaps a messaging problem. Maybe they just think HubSpot ads tool is purely because if you didn't want to manage it elsewhere, but that's not the case. Reporting is the big win.
Correct. So when you connect your ad accounts in, one of the things we do want to highlight is to make sure they're connected correctly. You will get taken through a process of then asking you to set up pixels, because that's how it tracks things. So making sure that the pixels, the lead syncing is another one. So often you can get lead forms from Google, from Facebook, from LinkedIn directly into HubSpot. And if you connect it correctly, you don't have to double handle data. It'll go straight in. You can trigger your workflows from it. So that's a really important one. And that's one I find, Craig, often gets missed out. And sometimes the pixels as well. Pixels are a little bit more, people are more aware of it, but they're so unaware that you can get lead forms straight into HubSpot.
I've been in conversations with clients where they've said, oh, look, we worked with this agency and we set up this Zapier flow so that they would get every contact that filled out a lead form in Facebook, and then they'd use Zapier, and then they'd push it into a spreadsheet, which then we imported into HubSpot. And I was like, hang on, you realize there's just this setting here, connect straight from the lead form straight. And they're like, what? And so they've gone down this
very
convoluted
convoluted
path.
path.
Yeah, and it's just a setting in HubSpot. So that's a big win there.